Can we address that matter?
Which one is this?
Mr. Richard, wasn't he here the other day?
The Quavers Richard, I don't recall.
I don't
Yeah,
see
right.
him.
Mr. Richards, weren't you here the other day?
Yes,
So why are you back?
this is for some other tickets. That was just for one the other day. I don't know why they didn't put them all together.
He has show causes today.
Oh,
All right,
I
Danielle,
don't
did
see-
we put those last people in the breakout room? I'm sorry.
Not all of them.
Okay, you got Ritter, right?
I have, let me see if Ritter, because Ritter, someone disconnected. This is probably him. We have a John Ramirez in the,
Okay, the Sammy Rose.
I can bring John Ramirez out because his attorney just left and we can dismiss him. So I'm gonna bring him out.
And Alice Ritter.
And
Okay,
then we have a Van Robbins.
first is Janice Rutledge, ticket number P12510000, count 1, no insurance misdemeanor, count 2, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Good morning, please say your name for the record, starting with Attorney Beard.
Good morning, Melita Baird on behalf of Janice Rutledge.
Ms. Rutledge,
Judge.
unmute yourself, say your name.
Janice Rutledge.
Judge, she presented proper paperwork, insurance, and registration for her car. She emailed to me. She also emailed to the court, but it takes 48 hours to post. So we make a motion for the matter be dismissed.
So you stipulate the probable cause, Ms. Barrett?
So stipulated.
All right, so this matter is dismissed without prejudice. You are offset, Ms. Rutledge. Good luck.
All right, thank you. Thank you both. Bye.
Mr. Ramirez? Did he leave? Oh. All right, are we ready on Bennett Dantzler?
Yes.
Okay, this is the People versus Bennett Dantzler. Ticket number 374503, count 1, no operator's license in possession. Count 2, no insurance, never acquired. Ticket number 484288, count 1, no operator's license on person. Ticket number 431069, no operator's license in possession. Ticket number P101835, count 1, drove while license not valid or improper license. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney Barrett.
Melita Baird on behalf of Bennett Dantzler. Judge, his matter was set for trial. And it's my understanding the only officer that showed up, I think, was Marchand. And so we make a motion that the other matters be dismissed for the police officer showing up. And on the case where the police officer did show up, there was an offer to improper plates, and he wants to take that offer.
Okay.
And Your Honor, Tamika Horn on behalf of the city, can we bring Officer Ian Marchand out?
He is present.
Oh, good.
Yes, Officer Marchand, can you say your name for the record, sir?
Ian Marchand.
All right. So with that, Mr. Dantzler, can you raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes,
You can put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to Ms. Barrett today in private about your case and your rights.
yes,
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
no,
You're pleading of your own free will?
yes,
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
yes,
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
yes,
And knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
yes,
I'm going to direct your attention to the date of September 12th, 2019 at approximately 2:40 a.m. On that date and time, were you at or near the location of Eastburn and Gratiot in the city of Detroit?
yes,
And did you not have insurance?
no, I didn't.
All right, you're satisfied, Ms. Barrett?
Yes.
And you stipulate the proper cause as to the remaining counts to be dismissed?
Yes.
All right, they're dismissed without prejudice. We will proceed to sentencing. There is going to be a fine of $200. Mr. Bennett, can you have that paid by August 17th?
I could try.
Do you need more time?
Yes,
September 14th?
that'd be fine.
All right, so it's due September 14th, and the rest of the matters are dismissed. Did you have any questions, sir?
How do I pay it? Do I bring it down there?
You could, you can pay it online, you can pay it in person, you can pay it over the phone. And there's kiosks around the city in Myers or CVS where you can pay it there. It's like a kiosk called DivDat, you can pay it there.
Okay. You say September the 14th?
Yes, sir. Did you want the phone number to do it over the phone?
No, I'm gonna do it with a kiosk.
Any other questions?
No,
Okay, you all set.
thank you.
You're welcome. Good luck.
Yeah.
All right. Are you ready on Jaquavis Richard?
Okay, now hold on.
You're all set, Officer Marshawn.
I don't have that. I haven't spoken to that person.
Okay, I'm gonna put him.
Okay, back up a second, and since that, okay, I haven't spoken to him. I need to get that name again, but I need to, Tiffany Reed, is the city attorney still in there?
No, she's not.
Because this is set for trial, but I need to address this, which I told her what I wanted to do. She wants, well, I don't know. Do you want to wait for her to come back?
Which one, sorry? Yeah. I think she did address
Okay, everyone I just brought in, wait a minute, be patient, be quiet, remain quiet. Caller with 3752, please refrain from all noise.
Okay,
You have to be quiet or I'm gonna remove you.
that would be Kathy
This is
Reed.
Miss Barrett, for Tiffany
Yes.
Reed, there's an offer of count 2 open intoxicants passenger and then dismiss count 1.
Right, I'm aware of that, but she doesn't want to take, okay, I wasn't gonna, I already told the city prosecutor this, but I could tell the court, okay, listen, Judge, this is what's going on. She does not want to take the plea. The city attorney is ready to proceed, okay? Ms. Barrett is not ready to proceed on this matter because I've spoken to her and she has some issues. She needs to hire an attorney because she has a job that could be affected by this. She also has a CPL. She needs an attorney, and I don't know why somebody didn't tell her.
Let's bring her out and.
And who is this? You want to come out?
Tiffany Reed.
Ms. Barrett, who is this?
Tiffany Reed.
Okay,
And if we could bring the officer out, Mr. Petway, officers.
okay, I'll bring him out.
Yep, that's it, yep. Yeah.
Ms. Reed, we've been kind of discussing your case. It looks like Ms. Barrett does not feel comfortable proceeding as house counsel because she hasn't really had time to prepare, and it seems to be a lot at stake, especially considering your employment. So it seems like her recommendation would be that you retain counsel. since you don't want to take the offer.
You said I can't hear you guys. It's like it's breaking up bad. Can you repeat that for me?
She's basically, Ms.
I
Barrett is
gotta hire a new
recommending
lawyer.
that you hire your own lawyer.
Or be prepared to proceed today.
Or be
Yeah, I don't.
prepared to proceed today, but knowing that Ms. Barrett is house counsel and hasn't really had time to really prepare for your case. I mean, I'm just talking. I don't know if that's the case, but I'm gonna say, she's house counsel today.
Judge, I'm gonna put this on the record. I will not do this trial because she does not want to plea. She's telling me some things about her. She has a CPL, which is an issue. She's a city bus driver. She needs to have proper representation in this court. It doesn't need to be a 5-minute conversation with me. She needs a lawyer.
I understand. So you probably need to hire your own lawyer, Ms. Reed. I mean, we could try, but I to see if we can get a counsel appointed for you, but I don't know if that's gonna be the case.
Okay, well, I get a public defender. I can't hire no lawyer right now.
But I don't know if she qualifies because of her job. I don't.
Right, she's working. I don't think she'll qualify for.
I mean, the gun in itself is also an asset.
It is. She needs a lawyer.
And what I was saying was, if you guys,
no,
Don't say
we're not
nothing.
doing that.
huh?
Don't talk about the case. We just trying to figure out. Okay, just give me a moment, please.
Okay, Ms. Robbins, Ms. Reese, and Jaquavis Richards. I'm gonna place you in a breakout room and wait patiently. Ms. Bear to be in to assist you.
Excuse me. For Miss Reese, Kathy Reese,
Uh-huh.
she doesn't need to go in the breakout room. She's gonna be a.
All right, I'll keep her out.
Now, who was the other person you said?
Jaquavis Richards.
Okay, let me find that person.
Ms. Robbins, I'm gonna put you in breakout room 19.
Is that Mr. Robbins or
Okay,
somebody
okay.
else?
I'm sorry, Mr. Robbins. Breakout
Okay.
19. And I'll wait for you to tell me what to do with Mr. Richards.
Okay, Mr. Richards. Jaquavis, you can put it. I haven't spoken to him.
Okay, I'll put him in a breakout room.
Breakout room.
Yep, breakout room 20.
Which room, Donnell?
Breakout room 20.
Okay, all right. So I got those two. I have to talk to those two, but I think the judge is working on this other one.
Now, it's Orlando is trying to call back in. I do believe he was already here, but we'll see in a minute.
Yeah, on those show causes, when you go through, can you remove all those show causes? You know, the type cover sheet.
Oh, the cover sheets,
Yeah, just leave one of them on top, you know.
like, I like the cover sheet. You mean the motion in order?
No, the cover, I have to know the order.
Oh, these, just use one of those.
All right, so Ms.
Yeah.
Barrett, what we're gonna do is we can adjourn this. You will be appointed to represent Ms. Barrett, Ms. Reed. I'm gonna send it straight to the chief. He's gonna approve it.
Okay.
And you'll have time to prepare for her trial.
Okay,
So, how is September 8th?
that's fine.
Okay, so we'll set it for September 8th.
I just need get her phone number.
Yeah,
Is that-
we're on live now, so, yeah, because what we're gonna do, Miss Reed, just hold on. We put you in a breakout room, because I gotta, hold on, let me go on live. Are we ready on some other stuff?
September 8th, the trial or pre-trial?
That's gonna be the trial date.
Okay.
'Cause I gotta ask Miss Reed some questions. Or, well, and then I gotta send the form up to the chief.
So do you want to do you want to ask her the questions now, or do you want to do Kathy Reese,
I can
please?
do the questions now, I just don't wanna do it on live while all these people in here.
Okay, well, Judge, while you do that, I'm gonna go talk to these other people. Cause I don't need to be here for that, and I could talk to the other people.
Can we do Reese?
Yeah, we'll do Reese really quickly.
Get our officer out of here?
Yes, let's do that. Yes, we'll do Reese.
We did Bennett already.
Yes.
Kathy Reese.
All right, this is the People versus Kathy Reese, ticket number Z808-648. Count one, operating while intoxicated. Good morning, please say your names for the record. Sorry, with the Attorney Chair.
Good morning, Melita Baird on behalf of Kathy Reese. Judge, there was a reduced plea for her operating while visibly impaired, and she wants to plead to that offer.
Okay, Ms. Reese, can you raise your right hand? Oh, Ms. Reese, can you say your name for the record, please? Ms. Reese, can you hear us? You're not muted. Ms. Reese, are you there? I don't know if she walked away from the phone or what happened. Ms. Reese?
Hold on, Judge. I also have her in breakout room 13, and she's also on the phone, so I'm bringing her out of.
Oh. Ms. Reese?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can you say your name for the record?
Kathy Reese.
All right, it's my understanding you do wish to take advantage of the plea offer of operating while visibly impaired.
Yes,
Can you raise your right hand?
yes,
Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
yes, ma'am.
You put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to Ms. Barrett today in private about your case and your rights.
Can you repeat that again, please?
Had an opportunity to speak to Ms. Barrett today in private about your case and your rights.
Yes,
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
no, ma'am.
You're pleading of your own free will.
Yes, ma'am.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty.
Was I driving being guilty?
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty.
Yes, 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 ma'am.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial.
Okay.
Knowing that, you still wish to continue with the guilty plea?
I said I pleaded guilty.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial.
I plead guilty.
I understand that. I gotta ask you these questions. Do you understand my questions?
No, I don't. That's what I'm saying. I don't know what you're saying. You said I'm waiving my right to trial. Yeah.
All right, and knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, do you still wish to continue with your guilty plea? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna direct your attention to the date of
Okay, can you repeat that again?
October 1st, 2018. On that date and time, you add another location of Livernois and Leslie Street in the city of Detroit?
Yes, ma'am.
And were you operating a vehicle while visibly impaired?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you say yes?
Yes.
Okay, you're satisfied, Ms. Barrett?
Yes.
All right, I'm also satisfied. We'll amend the count to operating while visibly impaired. And we'll set this for a sentencing date. The court will order a substance abuse evaluation and a pre-sentence report. We will come back on September 14th at 8:35.
8:35. Ma'am, I really apologize. I know I'm not
Hold on. We're not dealing with apologies right now. Can she get the phone number of who she needs to contact?
Yes, let me know when you're ready.
Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, I'm ready.
313-965.
965.
3414. That's probation. You need to call them.
Oh, I'm on probation?
Not yet. I'm ordering what's called a pre-sentence report and a substance abuse evaluation. You need to call the probation department to get those evaluations set up.
So call them now?
Sure.
Okay.
And your next date is September 14th at 8:35.
Thank
And
you.
I'm sorry, Officer Gaynor, did you want to say your name for the record?
Yes, ma'am. My name is Police Officer Stephen Gaynor. I work at the 10th Precinct in Detroit.
All right. So any other questions, Ms. Reeves?
No, I don't know. I can ask a question?
I asked you if you had any questions, ma'am.
I'm just saying, y'all can put me on probation?
No, we haven't had the sentencing yet. I've given you the phone number to the probation department because that is who's going to set up your substance abuse evaluation, which the court has ordered, and your pre-sentence report that the court has ordered. So you need to call the probation department to get that set up. Does that make sense to you?
I guess so, yes.
I'm not asking if you agree. I'm asking, do you understand?
Yeah, I guess I will agree. I really don't understand good on this phone. You know, I wish I was in the courtroom. I could hear better, but I just have to follow the rules.
Okay.
I just have to follow the rules, man.
Any other questions?
Yeah, I'll call them. Thank you.
Okay, you're all set.
Yes, Lord Jesus, it's
Thank you, Officer
sad.
Gaynor. Officer Reed,
Thank you, Officer
Glenn.
Gaynor.
Officer Glenn, you have the next day for Tiffany Reed, correct?
I think it was September 8th.
Yes, so you're all set, sir.
Okay, thank you so much, Your Honor.
So mine's September the 14th?
Yes, ma'am. Yours is September 14th at 8:35.
Yeah, I wrote it down. Thank you. So we done?
You said, are we done? Yeah, yes, we are.
Oh, okay. Okay, thank you. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Bye.
All right, so Ms. Reed, we just have Officer Gaynor, who I'm gonna remove him because he's done. Okay, have a good one, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. You as well.
And he left. Okay, so the only person that is here is in Orlando, but his audio isn't connected, so he can't hear it.
Right.
But I put him back in the waiting room, because I'm gonna ask him some information. Okay, so. I guess I put, do I do the state of Michigan or do I do the city of Detroit? City of Detroit, what I put?
For,
Ms. Reed,
I think, yeah, just based on the plea, what Ms. Reed? City of Detroit, that's the, open in talks?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think
Yeah,
the city.
Yep, it's the
Yeah.
city, Your Honor.
okay. All right, so Ms. Reed, your name is Tiffany Reed. And then have an address on Sisset. Is that your address?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I'm gonna put this address down. You have a phone number?
Yes, ma'am.
What's your phone number?
Area code 404-839-3763.
Charge. Are you single, married, divorced, separated?
Single.